Number 1. Barbarity, meaning extreme cruelty or brutality. Synonyms: savagery, cruelty, inhumanity. Antonyms: kindness, humanity, compassion. Explanation: describes the nature of attacks. Number 2. Genocide, meaning the deliberate killing of a large group of people, particularly of a specific ethnic group or nation. Synonyms: massacre, annihilation, slaughter. Antonyms: protection, preservation, rescue. Explanation: used to describe allegations against Israel. Number 3. Unperturbed, meaning not concerned or troubled. Synonyms: calm, composed, indifferent. Antonyms: worried, anxious, perturbed. Explanation: describes Netanyahu's response to international criticism. Number 4. Prerequisite, meaning something required as a prior condition. Synonyms: requirement, necessity, precondition. Antonyms: optional, non-essential. Explanation: describes necessary conditions for elections to proceed. Number 5. Penchant, meaning a strong or habitual liking for something. Synonyms: preference, inclination. Antonyms: aversion, disinterest. Explanation: used to highlight the central government's tendency toward control. Number 6. Enshrine, meaning to preserve or cherish as sacred. Synonyms: protect, safeguard. Antonyms: violate, neglect. Explanation: used in the context of protecting federal principles. Number 7. Stringent, meaning strict, precise, and exacting. Synonyms: rigorous, severe. Antonyms: lenient, flexible. Explanation: refers to the government's stringent amendments to sexual crime laws. Number 8. Perpetrator, meaning a person who carries out a harmful, illegal, or immoral act. Synonyms: offender, culprit. Antonyms: victim, innocent. Explanation: refers to those committing crimes such as rape or assault. Number 9. Leniency, meaning the quality of being more merciful or tolerant than expected. Synonyms: mercy, tolerance. Antonyms: strictness, harshness. Explanation: the government aims to deny any leniency toward offenders. Number 10. Public outcry, meaning a strong expression of public disapproval or anger. Synonyms: protest, uproar. Antonyms: acceptance, approval. Explanation: indicates the reaction to crimes that triggered legislative amendments. Number 11. Vegetative state, meaning a condition where a person is alive but unaware of surroundings due to brain damage. Synonyms: comatose state, unresponsive condition. Antonyms: consciousness, alertness. Explanation: discusses the introduction of the death penalty for acid attacks causing such harm. Number 12. Voyeurism, meaning the practice of gaining pleasure from observing others without their knowledge, especially in private settings. Synonyms: intrusion, spying. Antonyms: privacy, discretion. Explanation: one of the offenses for which punishments have been enhanced. Number 13. Stalking, meaning the act of following or harassing someone persistently. Synonyms: harassment, trailing. Antonyms: ignoring, avoiding. Explanation: stalking is one of the offenses targeted by the legal amendments. Number 14. Assimilated, meaning absorbed into a culture or group. Synonyms: integrated, incorporated, adapted. Antonyms: segregated, isolated. Explanation: how Indian immigrants adapt and thrive in new cultures. Number 15. Thrive, meaning to prosper or flourish. Synonyms: succeed, prosper. Antonyms: decline, wither. Explanation: success in foreign environments. Number 16. Peril, meaning serious danger. Synonyms: risk, hazard. Antonyms: safety, security. Explanation: risks faced by Indians in unstable regions. Number 17. Reprieve. Meaning: a temporary relief from something negative, often punishment. Synonyms: pardon, postponement. Antonyms: punishment, condemnation. Explanation: refers to the legal relief granted to Donald Trump. Number 18. Felony. Meaning: a serious crime. Synonyms: offense, violation. Antonyms: misdemeanor, innocence. Explanation: highlights the nature of the charges against Trump. Number 19. Quagmire. Meaning: a difficult or complex situation. Synonyms: predicament, dilemma. Antonyms: solution, simplicity. Explanation: refers to the legal complexities Trump faced. Number 20. Acquittal. Meaning: a judgment that a person is not guilty of a crime. Synonyms: exoneration, clearing. Antonyms: conviction, sentencing. Explanation: a possible outcome in legal cases, contrasting with conviction. Number 21. Instigating. Meaning: inciting or starting something, often negative. Synonyms: provoking, initiating. Antonyms: preventing, suppressing. Explanation: Trump's alleged role in provoking the Capitol mob attack. Number 22. Trifecta. Meaning: a situation involving three successful outcomes or elements. Synonyms: triple success, trio. Antonyms: failure, singularity. Explanation: refers to Trump's federal government control, holding three key branches of power. Number 23. Adventurism. Meaning: reckless or risky actions in politics or foreign policy. Synonyms: boldness, recklessness. Antonyms: caution, prudence. Explanation: refers to Trump's unconventional approaches. Number 24. Unscathed. Meaning: without suffering harm or damage. Synonyms: unharmed, intact. Antonyms: damaged, injured. Explanation: describes Trump emerging from legal issues without significant consequences. Number 25. Stereotypes. Meaning: oversimplified and fixed ideas about a group. Synonyms: prejudices, cliches. Antonyms: open-mindedness, individuality. Explanation: stereotypes about immigrants needing change. Number 26. Acute. Meaning: severe or intense. Synonyms: severe, critical. Antonyms: mild, negligible. Explanation: refers to the pressing issues faced by the diaspora. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if this video added value to your day. See you next time with more exciting content. Your support keeps us motivated.